Welcome to the Kuryakyn garage. Today I'll be showing you how to install our tracer LED fairing lower grills. If you're installing these on a batwing fairing, begin by removing the passing lamps if equipped. Once you have that complete, you will need to remove the grill or panel on the fairing lowers. Then, on the inside of the fairing lower, remove the two screws that secure the cover. This is where you will run the tracer wire. On the front side of the fairing lower, insert the cord through an opening in the grill area. Route the wire through to the other side. Then go back to the inside of the fairing lower and gently pry back the cover that had the screws removed and pull the LED grill wire through the cover. Once the cord is through, reinstall the two screws you removed from the inside fairing lower cover. Align and snap the tracer grill into place. Next, connect the adapter to the turn signal wire. Pull the supplied adapter plug through the hole in the fork assembly where the turn signal harness is. Route the wire along the frame, away from anything that could melt or pinch it. Now you can plug the tracer wire into the adapter and connect the turn signal wire into the adapter and reinstall the passing lamp bracket. If you're installing the tracer lights on a road glide, instead of accessing the turn signal harness through the passing lamp bracket, you will need to remove the outer fairing. Test to make sure the lights are working properly and zip tie the wires in place.